Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn data binding in AngularJS. Binding is mainly classified into two methods. First one is one-way binding, second one is two-way binding. In this video today we are going to learn one-way data binding. One-way data binding has two methods. First one is component to view. That means it will bind the data from component to view. In short, one way from data source to view target. See here, first syntax is using double cursive brackets, second one is using square brackets, and then third one is using bind attribute. And then view to component, it will bind data from view to the component. That means one way from view target to data source. These are the two syntax. This view to component type is also known as event binding. Say for example click event, this is for on click, like that. Let's see in Visual Studio Code Editor. Open a component file. Here I am creating a declaring one string content data binding or welcome. Okay, welcome. In HTML page, here I am using input tag, type text, and then value. Here we are using the first type, first syntax. See here, we are assigning the content here and close the input tag. Let's see the output in browser window. See here, the welcome text is displayed here. And then next we will use this second method. Copy this first line. Here using square bracket, and remove the cursive bracket. Let's see the output. See here, the second one's output also same as first one. And next, here we use bind attribute. Bind hyphen value. Okay, let's see the output. See here, these three are displayed same output. Okay, next second method, view to component. That means view to data source, target to data source. Let's see. For this, here I am creating simple method. Test event. Within that, I am using console.log to display some message. One-way data binding in Angular CLI. Okay. Here I am using same input tag, type button, and then here I am using first method, click event equal, within double quote we have to call this method, and then here value submit. Let's see the browser window. See here, if I click the submit button, it will show you some message in console panel. See here, the message displayed, one-way data binding in Angular CLI. See here, we can use second one, on click event. Let's see the output. Click the submit button, it's displayed same output message. Okay guys, thank you for listening this video, and in our next video we will discuss two-way data binding in Angular CLI. For more videos, like this channel, subscribe, and share this video to others. Thank you for watching this.